Nakaready naman ang ating government agencies. Mali po yung sinasabi ng ilan na hindi ready, hindi nakahanda. As a matter of fact, us in the Senate, we anticipated this eh. We added 1.3 billion sa pondo po ng DMW. Sa Office of the Secretary, hindi pa niya hiningi, pero we gave him 800 million. Then sa OWA, we gave OWA 500 million. So a total of 1.3 billion because the discussion was what if magkaroon. Kasi primero ang sinasabi, mababa kaya binawasan yata sa NEP yung kanilang budget kasi yung kanilang usage ng pondo mababa. Eh sabi ko, what if there will be war? Sabi ko, what if yung nangyari sa Israel sa Gaza might happen to another areas, dyan sa Lebanon, dyan sa Syria. So tinaasan po natin and Chairman Win Gatchalian agreed with me and he said like, oh nga no. So tinaasan po natin. Ayan na nga po. So mabuti po nataasan natin.